Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Say still voters register in Sensem, new voters register in Sensem, and actually say some members of the NDC, SCR EC, Eco Supreme Court say EC no say new voters register warrior no say etiamra efa baby na etiamra into Supreme Court enhwe na wonka. I've told you say new voters register EC womo yen so no first womo the voters ID eka ho say voters ID no womo de beka ho no new voters register no kra voters ID no the old voters ID na okwa ye be so na say ya register but womo be yi free mu a lot of Ghanaians even me I came on this platform and I spoke said that beside there no enye say voters ID say ye obia yusu ebi mo omode ye omo document ni nyama na sisi ano ye be ya ma voters ID ne kra no sebe ho emba mfaso obiom ni na Ghana ska ene dey asa voters ID no enti asem no ekodu Supreme Court ni na Supreme Court etro ana Supreme Court katre EC say EC voters ID na wo pese wuyi every new voters register nim no my reason tronkrata na enfambra ye Supreme Court for ho na my ndienti agina so nti a wo EC wo ka say old voters ID no won pese yede ye no ebeye new voters ID registration na ye hwe ni mo say EC ebetro akwa Supreme Court enkrata bi aba be kamensa na 31 page response from EC to the Supreme Court not to say EC person say Supreme Court say the entia me pese yeyi ana ye pese yeyi old voters ID no yen pese ye de be can new voters ID registration no no eno ni nti no me read the points na actual very legal while nim lawyer for any of terms but baby a was say me trust ye no me trust ye na Ghana for atias nti no we summary keke ena yema now the first point our mama was say the existing voter register which was compiled in 2012 pursuant to CI 72 and revised since by limited registration exercises has been held by this honorable court as not being reasonably credible. By implication, the cards issued pursuant to it are also not reasonably credible. Now, asema what can I say? Supreme Court nankasa Emma ruling B say the existing voters register in 2012 there no I say it's not credible, it's not entirely credible because no it comes as a result of National Health Insurance and for every year registration because as no echo Supreme Court in 2012 no and you be who say say registration no National Health and National Health in so no omo nya Ghana for kra wo National Health into 2012 voters register na ye no that time wo mo je National Health into na tre say wo bia wo nya Ghana ni kra no the fact say wo kra National Health no na ka nipa ko no betumi register na wenya voters ID into asem no ko do court na court ne ka say because of some National Health ye dey register ebe kan 2012 voters register ni ama register na nsheda anya credible so into the first pointer EC no Edema Supreme Court ne say in 2012 one kasa o kan say voters register no it is not entirely credible, it is not reasonably credible. It is a voters register any reasonably credible. Not say ID cards and also say will be able voters register so not says those ID cards are also not credible and no hunti and I am per se the back on this time around. Into what share EC for the first pointer one more day qua that is it. As I'm no court so I can't pass comments to say oh ebia EC no sa first point you are one may enye reasonable and our first point you are one may reasonable. I can't pass those comments because asema a work court at ya say into just a court no e dey asem no beba ansa na yehu so that is EC in the first point what they ever. Now the second point I will try Emma Supreme Court no say in respect of the cards issued pursuant to CI 12 the second defendant EC has found that those voter identification cards were issued without any form of identification at all, and its ineligibilities, breaches, and SSs were imported into the 2012 register pursuant to CI 72 in breach of Article 42 and displacing the credibility of the CI 12 cards. Now, the work and say in respect to cards we issue easy say voters identification cards ID, the old ID cards there were no form of identification. Yan to me identify in Crawford papa and for cards now more say asumesi and award asumesi and tisan ni na nasanya ni na no e ka ho e ma 2012 register no ade bia e kun etia no. So that is their second reason easy e the Supreme Court. Therefore, now in the third reason, another third point, no say the EC found a fundamental omission in its training manual and the manner in which the voter registration exercise was carried out in 2012, partly in breach of its own binding CI 72 and also in breach of Article 42 of the Constitution. Naturally, say EC for manual awomukita awomudi ye juma. There is a fundamental omission in the manner which the voters register carry out the 2012 voters register Once Ghana has say, and then we'll be our call siapom biada. Said we carry out projects biada. There is something we call the documentation. If someone carries out your project and now will be to her, and the paperwork and the documentation ube to me say manual no. And no and I will be na what they aye and now they are continue the project no. Into the easy no air can and say one more some man na edahona. There is a fundamental omission, not just say in Sambia ehun here and nyama bia na ke here about the training manual of the 2020 a year registration exercise no. There is an omission from it. Internet idea bia so mo pese wo mo continue use sa card ne krana. They have to get that fundamental omission no. They have to get what is omitted. Because nini na no is part of the training manual. So you pese you training Crawford, not the manual we want to train people with. There is a fundamental omission now. Obviously, you can't really train the people properly as you want to. So that is their third point. Easy. Ede ama a Supreme Court. Na nsem we ni na ye ka no Supreme Court for enebe gina so ama ye ni aye hu say okay easy their work and it makes sense and it doesn't make sense. Inti anane de politics we for the bear politics. Now the fourth point wo mo man and say easy per se mami read the point no say the second defendant wants a break from the past to remedy all the carried on ineligibilities, excesses and breaches of Article 42 as the existing cards have become fruits of a poisoned tree. What's the reasons when you are one man say voters register na krano or how and ineligibilities be a womb, breaches be a womb. Into the work and say easy person what tuning in egu no ankasa chef frase na fofo na ye be sha ase ne Ghana fo ni na hu say we dey credible na ye di ko enim because the old one or say they have become fruit of a poisoned tree. Not to say a dia ni dia ba no sebe poison ewom yen to me ndibiom. That is the fourth pointer easy for Edema Supreme Court. Etie for someone easy Edia Banono. So it is on the Supreme Court now to see this and say so okay easy mo point amama no eto asumu ye be ma mo kwan say de mo pese mu ye bia no mo nkonkoye ana mo point amama no ye hu ne say mu yes a mo betumi ama ye voters register no aye credible ana mo point amama no ye hu ne say emre eni ho nti mo manye use way for now to say ni na no Supreme Court no and asisia no what the decision ne beba. And so we wait patiently. EC de waye ne juma sisia. So these are the reasons why the EC is not including the old voters register. new voters register I see here, the old voters ID, no, sorry, the old voters ID, no, is in the MPS will be included. Let me know your thoughts on this. What shall I mean, is this I mean, these reasons, no, in your own thoughts, no, yes, court ankasa ede mboaye beba, but nipa das ne as a human being, no, you too obi kan asem a wankasa so betumi ede wadwen afa hunhun say oh asem we anipa kan yes enti no. Let me know your thoughts on this. What share asem a easy kan no eto asumu ana. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. Me that's it.